Welcome to Section 1 video Software Download and Setup. Today we will be downloading R, RStudio, and QGIS. We will then be setting the work environment ready for our next steps. Let's follow these download links. R provides you with the ability to code in this environment, and RStudio builds on R and provides an integrated development environment with hints for the functions that you input and some additional functionalities with the enhanced coding experience. So while R is the necessary software to be downloading, we also recommend that you download RStudio following the link provided on the slide for free. Click the latest release. At the same time, we'll also download RStudio. We can choose the free version and choose the appropriate supported platform. Here I choose Mac OS. For QGIS, we have the download option for also Windows and Mac and choose the latest version. Once the downloads are completed, let's start installing. First, click on the R installation package. Accept the defaults and hit install. And the installation is successful. We'll then continue with RStudio. Double-click the icon. If you're on a Mac, drag RStudio to Applications folder. And that completes our installation. First, we open RStudio, and then we'll go to Tools, Global Options for some basic setups. We will uncheck Restore R data file into Workspace at Startup because this would enable your workflow to be reproducible. You start fresh every time you fire up the RStudio. And do not save workspace. Choose Never here. So set the options as follows. Of course, you can choose and edit your appearance as you prefer. And that sets up our work environment in R. Now let's install QGIS. Now, because of security preferences, we might need to, instead of double-clicking, we'll do right-click on a Mac and then open with Installer. This will give the option of opening it without having to alter your security preferences setting. We'll accept the defaults and hit Install. Once that's done, we can open up QGIS. And there you have it. You have the option to select the different panels that you want to see on your view window. You can also drag them around and arrange as you prefer. We'll go to View, Panels, and choose the ones that you want to display. One common one is the Processing Toolbox. Now that we have set up our work environment and downloaded all required software, we're ready to move on to Section 2, Data Preparation and Basic Plotting, where you'll be introduced to basic functionalities of using R and QGIS to perform your geospatial tasks.